Children, today we are going to discuss about river to home. This lesson from block number 15 LP3. In last class also we learned more about water sources. Okay, today again we'll be able to explain how water from rivers reaches the houses. Okay, and you should be ready with the resources, children. Content book, workbook, and then notebook. And today we are going to learn some new words. Okay, that is keywords. Treatment centers, distribute, and wastewater. You need to practice this word, children. And here, where does the water in our homes comes from, children? In last class also we learned more about the sources of water. Okay, there are two main sources of water are there, such as surface water and then groundwater. Surface water is nothing but the water on the top of the ground. Okay, river, lake, and then ponds and oceans, seas, or surface water. Either we will get the water from the groundwater also, and we can use groundwater by taking it out through wells and water pumps. Okay, and then here, children, in your textbook, page number 39, they given one picture. You need to observe the pictures, children. Here, what is happening in this picture? In this picture, they given water supply, water treatment plant, and then small buildings they given. Okay, the water supply is nothing but that is like a river. Okay, and then this water is go to the water treatment plant. What is the meaning of water treatment plant, children? Do you have any idea about that? Okay, so water treatment plants usually we can use river water for drinking. It reaches our homes. It's before the water is cleaned in the water by the water treatment plant. Okay, water treatment plant is kills the germs in the water and make it clean and safe for the people to use. Okay, the clean water then travels its homes through the pipes. See here, children, first is the river water, that is, okay, before coming to our house, it's directly go to the water treatment plant. The water treatment plant kills the germs in the water. We know germs make us sick. That's why the water treatment plant kills the germs in the water and it makes it clean and safe for people to use. And then the clean water travels to homes through the pipes, and then we will get the clean water. Okay, today we will learn how water reaches our homes from the water sources. Okay, open your workbook, children, page number 37. There they given one picture. You look at the diagram and show how water comes from the local water sources. Here also they given water supply and water treatment plant and then small building. Okay, and then you need to take out the rough book, children, and you need to make a chart about how the water gets to our homes and draw a simple diagram. You need to draw a diagram and you need to describe about how the water gets to our homes. Okay, children, we will discuss about in this analysis part. Thank you.